Hello, so today I want to show you how you can use Kosmik to do research. So as you know, Kosmik is a good platform for visual research, building mood boards, building assets library, but I want to show you how you can also leverage it for more text-heavy workflow or for other purposes. So let's say, for example, here I'm having a PDF on my canvas, I'm reading it. It's a PDF about a designer I really like, Joe Colombo, and maybe I'd like to learn more about that person. Maybe I also want to have more pictures of design from Joe Colombo. So what I can do is that I can click here on the capture content icon, which is the same as in the web browser. I can select an area, click extract, and boom, I have it on the canvas. Now, the very cool thing is that Kosmik will, just like any other content, auto tag that, describe it. I can just click on that button. I have a description, I have tags. And so as you know, if for example, I'm looking for other Italian design example I may have in my account or in my workspace, I can click on that tag, it launches a search. Here's all the content I have from that designer and other designer that qualify as Italian design in my Kosmik account, which is super cool. And if I click on that, I'm just teleported to that element in the Kosmik canvas. But what I can do now, if I close that panel, is we have that bar here, which is our AI search bar. And I can just click on suggestion and ask Kosmik to find articles for me, find web links about that text, about that person, about the context, about what's inside that captured area. Press option, and here they are, all on the canvas. So here, for example, I can click on that bookmark, press Shift plus space, and open this directly in my side panel and continue to read, learn more, browse, extract another text, put it on the canvas. Of course, that text will retain its source, etc., etc., etc. So we can use Kosmik as a more, I would say, general purpose research platform. You can select any item from a PDF or from a website. So let's try that actually. Here, for example, I'm going to press W. I'm going to create a new tab, or I'm going to go to that one. So I was reading things about the history of Mac Paint, which was the drawing software for the Mac. And here, I can also select this. Of course, bookmark the page. That's handy. And also, maybe I want to save the text. So here I can just highlight the text, click, and take the whole text of the page. I can also, of course, select a part of the text, press Command, and copy and paste it. And again, Kosmik will auto tag, describe, do all of its magic on that element. And you see it's pretty precise. It knows it talks about Mac Paint 2.0, it talks about personal computing software, it talks about Next Computer, it talks about a lot of things. And so if I want to learn more about that topic, again, I can click on that, click on suggestion, and ask Kosmik to find videos, find images, or browse for me. And I can also orient that query and say, find articles related to that text, and press enter, and Kosmik will go on the web, stack a few options for me to review. If I press again option, I can put them all on the canvas, put them here. I even have a few Reddit threads. I have the Mac Paint manual. I have the Mac Paint article from Wikipedia. I have another article from that website, which I came from originally, and I have a few Reddit posts. And so you see, this is how Kosmik can help you converge and diverge if you're using it as a research platform. So this is just a kind of a small tutorial to show you that you can use Kosmik to build mood boards, assets library, very visual things, but you can also use it if you're a student, if you're working on your master of physics, if you're someone working as a professor. We really want to make Kosmik the best visual research platforms, and that means the best platform to aggregate, find, and organize visual assets, but also all sorts of things that we think are better handled on a visual user interface like our canvas. So next step for us is to rework our AI sticker, the ones that we already have, where you can ask to summarize, to explain. In Kosmik, we want to make them much better. So I hope to show that to you in the next video very soon. We're also overhauling our hypertext system. You may read about that in our latest newsletter. And we're going to introduce manual tags pretty soon too, if you want to have more freedom and add tags that are not added by Kosmik auto tagging system. So still working hard on Kosmik. We hope you like the product. Keep the feedback coming. Thank you for everything, and see you very soon. Bye.